Yo, what's up? It's Millionaire Hoy, and today we're gonna get our cardio on with this all-standing fun cardio HIIT workout. It's an absolute fat burner, and we're not gonna get on the floor at all as we burn those calories, get our heart rate up, and get those steps in for the day. All right, so bring it in today. We're gonna have some fun, some brand new moves. Make sure if you haven't already, go ahead and warm up, and we're going right into this with some high-low sprints. We're gonna go non-stop throughout this workout, so we're gonna add a little jump rope in between, and let's go. Start off with a high sprint. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it low. Abs locked in. In high. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. Core is activated all the way through. Breathe it out. Let's march forward. Why do I feel like the sweat already ready to start? Come on, bring it up. In low. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Keep moving. Today, my movement, slanted recovery, is going to be a jump rope. From here, we're going for half, whole, front to back skaters. Look at those previews, and let's go. We're going to half. And forward. Bring it back. Switching each time. Good. Now that we know the move, let's add some passion. Bring it forward more. More to the side. Come on. Dynamic skater. Getting those lats involved. Move it out. Come on. We in this thing now. We'll go from my side to side. All right. 180. Brisk, march, jugglers. Face to the left. March. 5, 6, 7, 8. Juggle in the center, fade. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. In up. Turn. Woo! Gonna take some coordination. Come on. March it out. One more. Yeah. Come on, and march. Give me those ropes. All right, awesome. From here, left to right, low pedal Heismans. With the pedal over, Heisman twist. Look at me, the pedal. Bring it over. Hop it up, boom, and down. Come on. Over towards the right. 2, 3, 4. Twist, and down. Feet off the ground, over. Boom, come on. Over. Hop. Over. Yeah, make it over toward the other side. One more push. Yeah. To the center, jump it out. Awesome. All right, level up, tap under. So when sprint, tap under for 2. Sprint, tap under for 4. Let's go. We're going on 1, 2, tap 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hang in there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. Woo! Well, man, I'm getting a sip after that. All right, from here, front to back, uppercut flies. Start with uppercut, going forward. 1, 2, bring it back. Arms out, sprint. Come on. In back. Arms out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Sneaking up some core. Other side. Bring it back. Arms out. Nice. Keep moving. All right, from here, front to back, relay jugglers. 3 taps, juggle forward, juggle back. Let's go. tap. 1, 2, 3, forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, bring it back. And over. 3, 2, 1, forward. And back. Come on. Back. One more tap. Nice. Keep moving. All right, from here. In and out. Pedal. Butt kick. Pedal out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. 8 butt kicks. And pedal. Out. Butt kicks. Push. Down. Out. We in this thing. There we go. All right. Slanted, sprint, hot hands. 4 slanted, 5 slanted sprints, hot hand fade. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands in front. 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Right over. And up. Give me 4 knees in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop it out. Get a step. Good. From here. 180. High-low sprint. We're actually gonna start low. So, low. And high. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. Low. High. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. Come on. Bring it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. Push, push, push. And up. Turn. Up. All the way to the right. Up. Hop. Woo! Fire alarm. It's set off. We go from side to side. Front jab march. 4 jabs open. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. March it out. Then over. Come on. Push it. Pure effort all the way through. Yeah, that's sweat dripping. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, fam. All right, from here, 180, agility feet. In and out for 4, then we're gonna turn. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. 3, 4, turn. Hustle. Turn. Turn. Come on. Get in those steps. How many steps we can get for the day? Stay grounded. Control those feet through that movement. One more turn. Come on. Woo! Gotta kick those feet out at this point. All right, from here, power, push, sprint. Let's go, up, yeah, over, sprint fade. 5, 6, 7, 8, other side. Power, yeah, yeah. Push, yeah. Pushing forward. Come on. Right to the other side. push, yeah, yeah. There we go, all right. V, tap, butt kicks. Butt kick for 8, V tap over. Let's go up, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Over, tap, or skate as you see in those mods. Other side. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Breathe it through. And back. Woo! One more. Yeah, all right. Hustle, tap hops. Front and right going over towards the left. Let's hustle. Bring it over. Tap. Hop it up. That's 1. Your count. But remember that count. Come on. Getting our sweat on. We're almost there, fam. One more tap. One more hop. Come on. Hop it out. From here, 180 pulse sprint. 4 sprints, we know these over. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, over. Yeah. To the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on. Yeah. Stick it. Lock those abs in, hop through those calves. We in those championship rounds right here. Let's hold through. Woo! Hip flexors, glutes, calves. Come on, one more. I need a sip after that. All right, right to the other side. Come on, champions. Hold the tap hops. Bring it over. Tap. And down. Going for the same numbers as the other side. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, we're gonna make it through. One more tap. One more hop. Good, from here. 180 pulse sprints. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over. Come on, stick it. Bend over. Oh, I'm fighting too. Come on. It's almost over. Just 15 minutes total. And we got a few more exercises. One more. That's real failure. All right, move if you can. I'm gonna go with in and out, jumping jacks. So we start jacking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add those arms. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to ropes. In up. Just one more exercise. Come on. Up. Yeah. Heart rate's up. We're working. Good, and maybe some more ropes in here. Final move, side to side, agility sprint, all right? We're gonna sprint over, into an agility, sprint over towards the other side. Let's start with an agility. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, sprint over 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and low. 2, come on, 3, 4, and over. Come on, lateral movement in there. Do your best. Quick switches. Final opportunity to get in those steps. Make them count. Yeah. Come on. Woo. One more. Sprint over. Fist bump, baby, in. Boom. Fist bump. Way to rock it. Legs are killing me. From here, 2,127 steps. Got to sit that down so I don't keep on counting. And you absolutely brought it. I know the feet are on fire, the heart rate's up, and you absolutely brought it for today's workout. So let me know how many steps you got down below in the comments. And let's keep on pushing through, all right? If this is your final workout, make sure that you stretch, and we're gonna keep on pushing through for the rest of the day. Put healthy food in our stomach, healthy things in our heart relationship, healthy things in our mind, mental health over every single thing else, till we come back and crush it. It's Millionaire Hoy. Take care, and peace out.